you see this potato? I miss the potato.
Potato. I missed the potato. How
Hi.
you doing, guys?
What you doing? What you doing? And your mother then met the potato.
Today is garden maintenance day. The garden isn't overgrown. We're just doing a little things to help it keep productive. Okay, so we're gonna be doing a light weeding, trimming excess leaves, and harvesting what's ready.
Daddy, picking peppers and cook the mix.
Stick around because we'll show you what a small maintenance job, it can make a big difference. You ready, baby girl?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Sometimes garden maintenance isn't dramatic. We don't have weeds taking over. We just have small weeds popping up here and there, as you can see in the garden bed by the peppers.
That's me was work.
That's the goal. Maintain before problems start. Y'all ready, girls?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Let's get to it. Alright, Sage, so we go ahead and remove the weed on there. So we only removing the weed because the less it is, the easier it is to maintain. Okay?
Okay.
Go ahead and remove this weed here. Go ahead and remove this one. You go ahead. Alright, so you go ahead and move this one here.
Yeah, this one is easy.
This one was easy to remove, baby.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I said, as it's small like this, it's easier to maintain, and plus the soil is not dry, so it's easier to pull out.
Dad, I see a baby tomato.
Where is it, baby?
Right here.
Wow, we got baby tomatoes. It's not that good, it's just making. You excited?
Yeah.
You make the tomatoes?
Yeah.
Give me a bounce.
Dum dum.
So we got some weeds over here, so let's go ahead and remove them. So we got some over here. You can pull this, Dara. Pull it out, this one here. Hold it and pull it. Hold it from down here so you can get a better grip of it. Right here, and pull it. Good job, you see it?
Yeah. Dad, I found a watermelon that's not good.
You got watermelon, baby?
Yeah,
Let
that's
me
not
see it.
good.
Oh, that was due because of the rain. We got too much rain, so it got soaked. So guys, if you got watermelon like this and it got too much rain, you have to elevate it or prevent it from getting the moisture from the ground. So I had mine laying on the ground. It was currently hiding, so I didn't see it until my baby girl showed me it. If you come across this, I would suggest putting like a stone or try to elevate it so that way it don't get the contact with the ground. Okay, Seja, so we go ahead and remove the excess leaf from the peppers. Not too much, just enough so it will allow airflow.
From the plants to breathe.
Yeah, exactly, so the plants can breathe. So when you remove the excess leaf, it will allow the airflow to the plants, and the plants can stay healthier. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Give me a bounce. Give me a bounce. Give me a bounce. Give me a bounce. All right. Bring it right here. Yeah. Good job. Do you have another one? Okay, come and cut this one here. This one right here. Take it from underneath it. Yeah. Good job. Okay, Seja, let's go to the next pepper tree. See what's currently going on with the leaves. Okay. Oh, the peppers, the bell peppers, they look like it falls, Seja. Yeah, it looked like it falls. So we'll go ahead. We can see the roots is still intact. You can see there, the roots is still intact. So that means we just have to prop it up. Go ahead and get me the stick and let's prop it up. We got the stick. Even our bell pepper, the tree was so heavy. When we try to pop it up, it falls. So we got one harvest already. That's your doing, baby. Okay, so let's pump it up right here. We're gonna pump it up here. Okay, so it should be able to stay right there. So go ahead and just remove those extra leaves. Okay, so go ahead and okay, so Aaron Seja, now we come to our okra. Now we're gonna go ahead and prune the lower leaves. Come here, Zara. Go ahead and cut it right here. Let me show you how to do it. So you take it like this and you go ahead and hold on, Zara. Chop it like this. Okay, so you can have better airflow. Okay, you all got them, brothers?
There you go. Here's that brother.
My tomato bed was one of my major concerns about the weeds. It had a lot of weeds growing in. I was able to pull them out with me and my daughter, and I'm so happy that we take this day to take care of it. Now there is better airflow around the tomatoes. My marigold is looking nice as well. Even my peanuts is thriving as well, and the little trim that we do from the okra is looking much better by removing the lower branches. Overall, it's looking good. This gonna have a better airflow for the whole garden. Okay, Seja, so now we're gonna go ahead and remove those extra leaves that currently bent off our pigeon peas or the gumbo peas. Okay, so this should be good. Remove the yellow ones. Cut this right here. Just this branch here, yes. Alright, so this should be good. Remove that one right here. Good job. Okay, Fish, so now we're gonna go ahead and harvest our lower leaves of the basil. Okay, so we'll go ahead and take that and just harvest it from there. Okay, so John Zara, so we buy our pimento peppers. They're currently looking ready to be harvested. So we'll go ahead and harvest this.
Yeah, this pepper look big.
Yeah, this is a big one, baby. So you know the saying, there this is fresh peppers growing right from our backyard, right? So it always gonna taste good. All right.
Okay.
Give me the scissors. Let me show you how to harvest this, Zara. So you go ahead and harvest it from there. Okay, and you put it in there. All right, so get the red ones.
Okay, right there.
Yes,
And not the green ones.
you got it, Zara? Zara, let's go ahead and cut the bell peppers. They're looking good to be harvested. So you got it? So
It is a little tricky.
it's a little tricky, baby.
Yeah.
Good job. So that's the bell peppers we have. Okay, Sejan Zara. Cucumbers like to hide underneath the vine, so we have to look carefully to see them. Okay. I cut it from the top vine. Yeah, right here. Okay, put it in the bowls. So this is a nice size, baby. Nice size cucumber. What do you think, Zara?
What kind of cucumber is this?
This not yet good. They have another one right here, Sergio. So now we buy our herb bed. We're gonna go ahead and harvest those, but we're gonna leave just enough so it can help producing more. Okay?
Okay.
So we'll go ahead and cut some of it. We'll most likely cut the bottom ones. It's good, Zizi.
It smells like celery.
It smells like celery. How it smells, Zizi?
Smell like broccoli or something.
It smells strong, baby.
I eat it one right now.
Okay, go ahead and eat it.
They're good.
It's good.
Oh, I want to taste one.
It's good.
Okay, Sage. So we buy our chives. Now we're gonna go ahead and harvest our chives. Okay. Oh, we have small peppers growing in the middle. You see it? Not peppers, tomatoes. We have
Baby tomatoes.
Yes, we're growing it in the middle so we can go ahead and transfer it when you get a mature stage. Let me show you how to cut the chives. So this small harvest we're doing is gonna produce big harvest later on. Okay, it's gonna be producing more. Okay, so let's go ahead and chop it right here. This one you can cut it right here. Okay, go ahead and do the others. Go ahead and pull it out.
Oh, potatoes.
Wow, it's a big potato.
I'm getting this one.
I'm getting big one.
I'm
getting the big
Look at the
one.
potato.
Yeah, you got potatoes, Zizi.
Look at this big
That's
potato.
a big potato. That's the biggest we get. So girls, we clean the potato. So this is what we currently get from the harvest.
Yeah. Do you see the potato? Do you see the potato? I miss the potato. Miss the potato.
Mr. Potato. I missed the potato. How
Hi.
you doing, guys?
What you doing? What you doing? And your mother then miss the potato.
So guys, this is how our garden bed look after the maintenance or clearing of the bed. It's look kind of nice and presentable and creating airflow for the plants to survive and not competing over each other. Our bell peppers is looking nice after prune up or train as well. And this is how our bell pepper trees is after we staked it. Even our melons is looking healthy as well after removing the weeds. Our herb bed is currently moving nice. We trim up our basil at the bottom knees. It's looking much better.
Dad.
Yes, baby.
Daddy, I need to see the blueberry. Where is that blueberry?
You see the blueberry? Right here.
Then two.
I'm gonna eat it. Got it. That's the blueberry.
I'm gonna zip it up.
You got the blueberry. You're gonna wash it?
I'm gonna eat it.
Go wash it.
You have to wash it.
You was gonna free the whole thing.
How was it?
Yes.
It good?